Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to play Roblox full-screen PC. To start, open your game in Roblox. Here, click on the settings icon. When you log in, you will go to the tab settings. Locate the full screen line. Click on it to enable it so you can play in Roblox in full screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.